It's a special video today to celebrate Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's, dear.
Happy Valentine, dear.
Happy Valentine's to myself. So I ordered this Valentine's Day package from Lancaster Local Provisions. It's a new company I discovered. They support their community. They're all about organic, healthy farming and distributing, and I wanted to give them a try. Since we don't live in state, we have to sometimes be creative of ways we can enjoy Lancaster. So here's the name of the company on this side, so it's their box. And then they wrote a sweet little message. Happy Love Day with the heart. I just think that's so sweet and special. So that's just a bonus from them, and I appreciate that. All right, here we go. We're gonna unbox this baby. See what lurks inside. I don't remember everything I ordered, honestly. It was a gift box. This website has various options. You can do like weekly deliveries of like groceries, and then you can do gift boxes. And so you want to pull that one off. So it's a nice little package, prettily, very nicely wrapped with a bow. So pretty. And then, oh, look at this note that I wrote and they put on there.
You wrote that.
Happy Valentine's Day, my family, from Mom via Lancaster. So that's really sweet. Look at that nice note card. It's just nicely packaged. So A+, A+ so far. Let's see what we got. I'll turn it this way so you guys can see how it looks. Whoop. Okay, what do we have here? From Lancaster with Love. Tells you kind of what they do there. So let's get started. Well, here's my favorite part. Chocolates. So everything in here is locally made in Lancaster. So there's several companies represented. This is Mies Candies. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Mice, maybe. Established 1875. So we got chocolate varieties here. Okay, you can do the next one.
And this is my favorite part. And these are hard pretzels.
Oh, I can look on the website. I can tell you who made these, but as of this moment, I don't see a label.
I take it back. This is my favorite part.
Yeah, I knew he would like that. Actually, that was part of what I wanted to get him, because I knew. And that's from Lititz. So it's a company called Sweet Legacy Candy Kitchen and Bakery in Lititz. So there you go. Caramel corn. And you could have chose caramel corn or a different kind of corn, which I'm slipping my mind right now.
Cheese.
Yum, cheese from Pennsylvania. It's from Lancaster. More cheese. Where's that from?
Manchego style cheese.
So this is fancy cheese, basically.
Again, made in Lancaster County. There's the label on it, so you can see the maker.
Okay, what else we got here? So far, so good.
Some jam.
Ooh.
Ooh, fruit spread.
Hot spoon peach and lavender fruit spread. 40% less sugar. So, there's that. You can see what that is. And what else we got? Aw, yum.
Caramels.
Butter caramels. I love butter caramels. Where are they from?
Sweet Legacy Gourmet.
So yeah, the same people who made.
And then there's
the caramel corn made.
Website on there too, if you can read that.
Made the see, look, yum. I think that might be it. But we're very excited to try it. So the thing I don't see here, which I'm a little surprised about, is like a list explaining what everything is and where it's from. But I mean, I can look on the website and determine that. But yeah, so yummy.
Yeah, pretty cool variety.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about this company, a little bit about these gift boxes they offer. So they ship on Mondays and Thursdays. So I had to order this last week to make sure we got it before Valentine's Day. They have about 9 gift boxes to choose from, but they also have this cool thing called Build a Box. You can actually customize your box and have it sent to you or to your loved one. So this one was called From Lancaster with Love. That's what I chose, of course. So we're going to taste a few things and tell you about it, but I kind of want to give you a little bit of info on the gift boxes that they offer. So he's going to try the caramel corn. So I love dark chocolate. I mean, I love all chocolate, but my favorite is like dark chocolate sea salt caramel. I'm hoping that this is what this is. I'll tell you. Score. That's exactly what it is. Because I can taste the salt, so I got lucky. You guys squat. What do you think of the pretzels?
It's caramel corn. It's good. It's good. Very caramel. You can taste the caramel.
Oh wow, that's super good. What made me even happier if they had peanut butter. Let me tell you what, I'm gonna try one more. It's orange cream, very sweet. So, I mean, this is excellent. All right, I'm gonna try this peach and lavender fruit spread with the pretzel they sent. Honestly, I've never tasted lavender, I don't think, in anything. It's good. It's like eating like a flower. So maybe a little too floury for me.
And I'm gonna try the cheddar.
And so am I. He's gonna cut me a piece. Oh, yeah.
Sure. Cave aged cheddar.
And my son tried the caramels, and I'm gonna try one too after I have some of this cheese.
I love cheddar.
Man, I love cheese
This
from
is a
Lancaster.
different kind of cheddar.
It's good. It's aged, you can tell. It's really good. Okay, last thing is I'm gonna have the other half of this caramel. It's very, very good. This is a butter caramel. It's very good. Sometimes these are kind of like, have a weird aftertaste or have like kind of like a chalky taste, but this is not like this. This is just pure, smooth caramel. Very good.
I'll try the other cheese. Wow.
So now we're trying this
Not sure what that tastes like.
Manchego. That's very different.
Yes, that is different.
It's good. It's like someone says like a little bit of wine. Like it's almost an old fruity wine taste or something. Nutty maybe. But anyway, this is fun. So bravo, Lancaster Local Provisions. I love your mission and kind of what you're doing to support the community and support good health. And this is fun. So I love getting things from Lancaster when I can't be there. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy your next eating adventure. From logos, it says these practices keep our cows happy while foraging along the Conestoga River in Lancaster County foraging. Anyway, so yeah, this is the from Lancaster with Love. So I'm gonna cut this part out. Kind of your what's the word? I love your mission and stop. Okay.